you gotta know who you're fighting for. There's nothing worse than fighting and going to war for the wrong person. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. You see it every day, man, every day, over and over and over and over again, especially in relationships. People are fighting and fighting and fighting and going out of their way to defend people and their partners. But the flip side to it is that partner, whoever it is that you're defending, is on the other side doing all the wrong things. They're not defending you, they're not looking out for you, they're not looking out for your best interest. They're doing all the wrong things while you're over here fighting for them. Doesn't make sense. You need to know who you're fighting for. You can't ignore the signs. You can't ignore who they are. Who someone is who they are. They're not going to change. You're not going to change them. They are who they are. That's how you found them. They may have lied to you, but that's how you found them. And that's just what it is. You need to stop going to war for the wrong people, because you end up losing relationships. Because everyone else is on the outside, right? Everyone else is on the outside. So your mom, your friends, your partners, whoever it is, they'll be like, yo, that your partner is, I don't know if they're the right person for you. You get into an argument with them because you're trying to defend them. Okay, someone else will come and say to you, if it's business related, they'll come and say to you, you know what, I don't know, man, I just don't trust them. There's something about them, or I heard they did XYZ deal. Nah, they would never do that. Okay, do you know what I mean? You keep losing relationships with people because people are trying to look out for you, but you can't see it because you're so blinded by, I trust them, I'm gonna fight for them, I'm gonna do XYZ, but they're on the other side doing the opposite of what you're doing. So the question becomes, what is the point? And a lot of times, the saddest thing is, a lot of times people know, but they don't want to believe it, they don't want to understand it. So you wake up every single day, they give you another reason to defend them. Someone gives you a reason to defend them every single day. That doesn't make sense. Like, it's never a reason to be happy for them, or it's never a reason to be proud of them. It's always another reason, like another reason for you to explain, another reason for you to defend them. You need to stop going to war for the wrong people, because there's people that deserve that, there's people that deserve it, but you're wasting your time you're just literally wasting years and years and years of your life and energy and ignoring everything, and you're wasting relationships. Before you know it, everyone that's looking out for you, you don't have a relationship with them no more, because you feel like they didn't want it for you. You feel like they were trying to put you off, or they were trying to say all the wrong things. But the truth of the matter is, all they were doing is looking out for you, but you didn't want to see it and you didn't want to believe it, so you picked the other side. Eventually, by the time you realize that you're fighting for the wrong person, it's too late, because eventually it does get round to it. Eventually it gets to the point where you can't ignore the signs no more. Business, personal, whatever it is, eventually it gets to the point where you literally can't ignore the signs no more. And when that day comes, it just dawns on you and you just realize, yo, like, it's been years. Then you realize the energy, the money, the time wasted with that person, wasted defending them. Everything dawns on you, and then you realize the relationships you've lost because of that person. And a lot of these relationships, and that's the saddest part, because everything else, money you can always get back, it's all irrelevant. Time is time, you've lost it, but there's not much you can do about that one. That one's between you and God, and you hope to God it's not too late for you, right? But the relationships, that's some of the hardest things, because you quickly realize all the relationships you've lost because of that person, or because of being in partnership with this company or that company or that particular CEO, whatever it is. And then you realize you can't get those back. A lot of them, sometimes it's the dear people to you, do you know what I mean? And all they were doing is looking out for you. That's literally all it is. All they were doing is looking out for you. And now, many years later, you realize it, but it's too late. Until next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.